A common scenario that comes up, and I was just asked about this in a premises liability context, is if I got hurt falling on the steps or on faulty stairs or faulty handrail over at my friend's house, but the friend doesn't actually own the house. She rents it. It could be house or apartment. Is there potential liability against the landowner on that? And the answer is potentially yes. If the injury happened as the result of someone else's negligence, in this instance it would be negligence concerning faulty stairs or faulty steps or faulty handrail or some other defect in the property, then yes, the owner of that land is potentially liable for that. And the way that usually these claims would play out in that scenario is there would be some form of landlord insurance policy or landowner insurance policy that would cover personal injuries on the property where there's liability. There would be liability if there was knowledge of that danger and it wasn't corrected, or some other form of wrongful conduct that created that dangerous situation and led to the injury. There's also potential always, and we see it not uncommonly, is if there had been some construction there, whether if it was new construction or if there had been some form of recent renovations, sometimes injuries such as that are caused because of a defect in the workmanship or construction of those stairs or handrail not properly installed, and then someone gets hurt. Well, that potentially is liability on the third party who did the construction or who did the renovations, sort of flowing through the landowner or property owner to that third party who actually did the work and who actually their error or misconduct or faulty work created that situation. So it's fact dependent, it depends, but yes, certainly injuries such as that where they arise from wrongful conduct, where it be a party doing something they shouldn't have done or not doing something they should have done, but that creates that situation, causes someone to get hurt. Even if you're over at a neighbor's house or apartment or a friend's house or apartment and they don't own it, there is certainly and frequently liability there just the same, because it all boils down to wrongful conduct. And did somebody through their wrongful conduct cause that injury? And if they did, they're responsible for it. And typically there is, as I said, some form of either landowner insurance or professional liability insurance in the case of, or general liability insurance in case of construction or renovation work that it flows back to be able to cover for those injuries. But you need competent legal counsel in order to be able to pursue those. It's important that you have legal counsel that has experience with premises liability claims and personal injury claims, so that they know what they're up against and they know how to best work up those claims to get full value for the client. Here at Brad Morris Law Firm, PLLC, we have had experience with those. We've had success representing people who were injured in premises liability claims as a result of someone else's negligence. And we're here to answer your questions. Just reach out to us through our website or call us on the phone, and we'll do what we can to get you pointed in the right direction and get you the help you need. I'm Brad Morris, and I appreciate you watching.